Hello first grade students, this is your teacher Alan Lucero and we're going to start a new video with unit number 5, School Life. This is our title. So, my first question for you, what can you see in the picture? This is the time for guessing, okay? So you can tell me whatever you want. Okay, I can see some students. Okay, I can see. Oh, there are three students. Okay, where are the students? In the park? Okay, it's a possibility. At school, according to the title. Okay, another possibility. Remember, we're going to start this unit on pages 76 and 77. So the poster are on those pages. Now let's continue. Here I have some pictures. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. I mean, that's all. There are 3 pictures. In this page, there is 78, and there are 3 extra pictures on the next page, 79. Let's focus on the first one. What can you see in number 1? A clock. Okay, and it's 7 a.m. No, a clock. In number 2, what can you see? A girl at school is a possibility? Okay, it's a possibility. And it's 8:50. What about number 3? A student? A student doing homework. Perfect. At 18 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Next picture. Here, for example, I have 2 little girls doing what? Having breakfast, having lunch, or having dinner. But it's 18:45. This is dinner. Okay, dinner. Let's continue here. Number 5. 20 o'clock or 8 o'clock at night. There is a girl. What's the girl doing? Put their clothes in order. Yeah. And number 6. 21 o'clock or 9 o'clock at night. The boy is sleeping. Perfect. That is good. This is going to be our first part. Second part. Sorry, it's here. Second part. Vocabulary number 1. Daily routines. So, in this part, we're going to work about routines. Okay, for example, in the morning, the teacher wakes up at 6:30. After that, the teacher take a shower. Then the teacher get dressed. Then the teacher prepare breakfast. After that, the teacher get ready for the class, then the teacher have classes, etc., etc. So that is my routine, a daily routine, every day's routine. Now, number 1, look at the pictures 1 to 6. Okay, these are the pictures 1 to 6. Now, then complete the sentences about daily routines with the correct form of the verb in the box. Now, let's practice. Let's practice. You are going to listen and repeat. Do homework. Finish school. Get dressed. Get up. Go to bed. Have dinner. Play the piano. Start school. Take a shower. Tidy your room. Class, do you have any problem with the vocabulary? Well, for example, doing homework, hacer tarea. Finish school, bye bye school, no? Terminar la escuela. Get dressed is like in Spanish cambiarse. Get up, levantarse. For example, I'm sleeping and I get up. Go to bed, ir a descansar, ir a la cama. Have dinner, cenar o tener la cena. Play the piano, tocar el piano. Start school is the opposite of finish school, ¿no? Comenzar. Take a shower, tomar un baño o bañarse. And tidy your room is like ordenar tu cuarto, ¿no? Mantenerlo ok. Now let's see. Look at the pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then complete the sentences about daily routines with the correct form of the words. For example, let's see. What could be picture number 1? What could be picture number 2 or number 3? Any idea? For example, in number 1 could be get up because it's 7 o'clock in the morning. So I get up. Maybe you here you're sleeping, no? Get up. And in number 2 could be start school. Okay, it's a possibility. Or finish school. It depends. Your point of view. Number 3, that's very easy. Do homework. What about number 4? Excuse me, number 2? No. Start or finish school. Do homework. Number 4. That is very easy. Have dinner. Number 5. Tidy your room. No? Here. Tidy your room. Ordenar. And the last one. Go to bed. Perfect. Now let's see. Here I have some sentences. So what do you have to do? Is to put the correct phrase in the correct sentence. For example, Mike at 7 o'clock and he get dressed. Mike at 7 o'clock and he get dressed. So here you have two choices. This one that is in blank and get dressed, no? Here is get dressed. Vestirse, cambiarse. Exactly. Mike gets up. Okay, gets up at 7 o'clock and he get dressed. Okay, gets dressed. Ellie, letter B. Ellie at 10 to 9. 10 to 9. Let me see. Here she's with her classmates. Exactly. Start school. Ellie starts school at 10 to 9. Here she is with her friends. Starts. Next, Jack at 6 o'clock. Every night. He loves maths and science. Do homework. Yeah, but here is not do homework. Jack does homework at 6 o'clock. We're going to check this part later, so take it easy. Jenny, a quarter to 7. A quarter to 7. You can see her little sister in the picture too. A quarter to 7. Have dinner. Have or has. Remember, has dinner. Jenny has dinner at quarter to 7. You can see her little sister in this picture too. Lisa. Next, let's continue. Lisa usually at 8 o'clock. It's always a mess. Tidies her room. No, tidies here. Tidies her room. The last one. On a school night, Simon at night, but not on the weekends. Goes to bed. Goes. I repeat the verb. Gets up for letter A. Gets up. Starts school. Does his homework. Has dinner. Tidies her room. And goes to bed. Okay, let's continue. Tip. There are different ways of telling the time. For example, in numbers, but you need to know the numbers, no? For example, here is 6:45. 6:45. Or also you can say a quarter to 7, like in Spanish, no? Un cuarto para las 7. 8:30, no? In letters, 8:30. Or half past 8. Okay? Half past 8. And that is good. 8:50 or 10 to 9. Okay, 10 to 9 or 8:50. 9:15 or a quarter past 9. So here you have two choices. For example, in my case, I use numbers. Okay, personally, I use numbers. Well, when I teach the time, I use a quarter to 7 or a quarter past 7 or half past 8. It's a possibility, I know, but I prefer this, it's easier. Okay, so you're going to practice this. Okay, now let's continue. Complete the expressions with have, go, take, or play. Look, those words in number 3 are from the vocabulary. What do you have to do is to remember what is the correct verb. For example, letter A shower. Have a shower, go a shower, take a shower, or play a shower. Excellent. Take a shower. Letter B, golf. It's a sport. Play golf. Okay. Home. Home. Go home. Okay, repeat. Go home. Lunch. Oh, that is very easy. Exactly, no? In the vocabulary you have dinner. What is that? Half dinner in the second line. Now you have lunch. Okay, could be half breakfast because lunch is almuerzo and breakfast desayuno. Some milk. Have some milk. Play the guitar. Letter F. Hey teacher, but I have a question. What's your question? You say play golf. Jugar golf. Play the guitar. Jugar la guitarra? No. Play has different meanings. Like jugar, you know jugar. And also play could be tocar a musical instrument. So in this case the guitar is a musical instrument. So you say play the guitar. Okay? Go to bed for letter G and letter H, play with friends. In number 4, it's a personal activity. So what do you have to do? Write sentences about your daily routine. Use the verb in activity 1. No? In this case, you're going to tell the class or the teacher the time and the activity you do. For example, Mr. Lucero gets up at 6:30. 6:30. No, like this, 6:30. Mr. Lucero have breakfast, no desayuno, have breakfast at 7:30. No, I'm going to use the time and a word from this vocabulary. Okay, class, a pleasure to do this part of the video for you. See you in the next video. Thank you.